fine there. All right, cool. Welcome, everyone. Basically, I'm going to walk through the process of setting up um, some domains and some other things. So, yep, let me just do that. I don't think I own this one anymore, but I can go here. One of the things I learned on my journey building out all this stuff is it's a lot of fun, especially when you let go. This homepage is fun. Okay, want me to reload this page? I was just about to cancel my account. So I'm building this based on scary toolbots. Scary toolbots. Why did I do that? That's really strange. Okay, so this is already good. I just got to add these A records. I think what I'm going to do is just go into Cloudflare and do it. It might be hosted on Cloudflare already. Cloudflare is a CDN. It just keeps things a little tighter. Let's see, organize AI.io. Let's add this one. So everything that I'm doing with Organized Affiliate is going to be, what just happened? Got a little overzealous there. Everything I do with the Organized Affiliate is going to be about automation tools stacked on top of each other, just kind of a big ass experiment. It's not going to be as BHT related as far as, consulting goes. But I hope I don't get hit for copyright for this song. I know this one's pretty popular. Anyways, I got some A records that I gotta add. Bro, I remember when I used to be so intimidated by all this. And, when you find things like that intimidate you a little bit, it's kind of confirmation that you probably need to be looking into it, trying to figure it out. So what I've learned about this game, this affiliate game, is that it literally is just one puzzle on top of the next. Solved. I know turning off the proxy allows that to work sometimes, so we're about to find out. And then they want me to verify. I don't know if that's going to do it or if I need to reset the whole page. Let's see. .com's not working, but hey. It says that it can take 24 hours. And this is good for sending emails. All right, cool. So now I need to build out the landing pages themselves. I haven't done this in a while. But hey, let's see. Had all these built out in the past. It's pretty weird. I don't know why this is doing this way, but hey. It's I don't know, that's very strange. I'm going to just create new. Just the email capture thing. And then this is not showing up for some reason. Maybe they're making me reinstate the account in order to see everything or use it. Yeah, that looks like it did it. How unnecessarily spammy is that? Y'all killing me. Nah, this shit still isn't working. Huh. Let's try the preview button. Nope. Interesting. Okay, whatever. I just need to see if it works. Still doesn't want to act right. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Y'all gonna not see me do this right now because I'm gonna get frustrated. Yay, frustration. Okay, instead what I could do is turn that off. I don't want to hear that right now. And I can jump over to something that I'm doing while I figure that out. So this is ShineRanker. It's one of the tools that I mentioned in my list. My list looks like this. Actually have to, I'll set it up soon, but there's a lander that I want to create for this. Looks like this, comment section, there you go. So that's the affiliate resource list. That's going to post everywhere. Awesome. Okay. So if you take a look at this, you will see in the software section that there's a tool called ShineRanker. ShineRanker allows me to set up these joints. And I'll make sure that you can hear what I'm listening to right now. 1 second. Look, something like that.
Do it.
Now you can hear
The
it.
problem is if you want to grab it, the deal is ending very soon. So if you leave a comment, I'll send you a link, or just go to aiprofitscourse.com.
Okay, so I got the wrong URLs in there. These are kind of tests. So my VA is just building these out to make
These
sure
AI websites feel
she
illegal.
understands how to use this.
Just make sure when you find out what they are to not tell anyone about them. The truth is, the more people who find out about these websites, the less they'll work.
So this is just kind of one of those attention grabbing type of joints. But there's also the opportunity for me to use what's called the MidJourney token. And this is from NextLag. So I'm going to go ahead and do this live. I want you guys to be able to see this. So if I share this, this is the MidJourney API. I got to get set up on this, and I got to get set up on MidJourney in order to do what I need to. So looks like this. I've already kind of done some research here. I can show you guys inside of Discord how this might work if I can get Discord for desktop to work today. It's been breaking lately. Or at least all yesterday it was breaking. Let's see if today's a good day. Yeah, it's broken today as well. So, okay. So, as you can probably pick up by now, 90% of this game that I'm playing is a game of stamina. So things don't work sometimes. And you got to come back to them over and over and over and over again until you either figure it out or it works for you that day. So I'm on Discord, and I'm going to go over to the ShineRanker team, and I have a ticket that I opened asking some help, and they gave me this YouTube video right here. So if I go to this YouTube video, I can
guys, here's a little nuance with it. It's good.
I can learn right here. This is the link that shows you how. So what I'm going to do, I've already watched it several times. This is how I learn, is by gathering information. So I've already watched it several times. Now it's time to actually do it. So I'm going to take you guys with me through this journey. First, I need to buy this. Probably not going to show you the process of me buying it, but it's all good. Sign in. I'm here. I got a whole bunch of shit from the past. And then I need to buy a plan. Just a basic plan is fine. And you guys don't need to see this part where I'm checking out. But essentially, I'm just going to check out. And I think the YouTuber actually has a discount. He does. So I'm going to use his discount right there. And that looks like this. Oops. Am I not sharing anymore? Of course. There you go. And the reason I share the way I am right now with the tab and everything is because it allows me to share audio. So anyways, I just scrolled down and clicked on his $5 per month off for the API. So it'll be 35 bucks instead of 40, which isn't a big deal, but trust me, software costs will eat you up. Been there more times than I care to admit. And now I have to insert some card information. While I'm doing that, I can run a commercial for y'all. This is all branding. This is how you do it. I'm using StreamYard. There should be a link around if you guys want to check it out. Let's see if I can add a clip that's relevant for you guys. 1 second. Let's see. Something relevant to this AI topic. There it is. Let's see. This is all fun for me, man. It's you know, what I'm realizing is you know, talking about tools and software and how to build income from having access to these different tools and knowing how to use them is usually more sexy than me just telling people about conversion tracking. Really what I want to shift into is going really hard on affiliate while keeping the idea alive that I'm using conversion tracking in order to be a better affiliate and ultimately building this brand organized affiliate through that extended idea. You don't want to hear that though. I'm just rambling right now. Okay, I'll do that separately because that's going to take a little while.
Analyze retention reports in Google Analytics 4. Evaluating the ratio of returning users to new users helps in determining how good a site or app is in retaining users, and it should be benchmarked and compared regularly. User retention by cohort shows how many users acquired on a particular day came back to the site or app after a specific number of days. User engagement by cohort provides information about how many minutes on average a user is spending after they have been acquired, a cornerstone metric. Analysis of retention can help identify the impact of email marketing efforts, which can drive user engagement. VHT offers help and support with Google Analytics 4.
All right, so there's that.
Are you struggling to pinpoint your target audience for your ads? Look no further, as Google Analytics 4 is here to save the day. With this powerful tool, you can build laser-focused audiences based on your website visitors' behavior. Imagine having the ability to group your audience by their interests, browsing habits, and demographics. With Google Analytics 4, you can do just that. You can even create audiences based on specific events or actions taken on your website. So why wait? Harness the power of Google Analytics 4 today and start creating highly targeted audiences for your ads.
Okie dokie. This should be good. All right, so what I'm doing on the other screen is I am signing up for MidJourney. Yep. All right. Gee whiz. I wish I could pause this. So what I've been doing is pre-recordings. Just because it's a little cleaner and I can cut out these sections. Boy, come on, man. Y'all killing me with this. Trying to make sure, man. You know, this authentication, these new ones with the images where you got to click on them and then you go to the next screen, you got to click some more. Shit is excessive, man. This shit does not make me feel more safe. It's just annoying. Okay. I just heard MidJourney. MidJourney just hit me up. Okay, so now I get to go here.
It's going to create you a MidJourney with that MidJourney. Actually go to Discord and use, and then you have your authorization place where it says authorization. The technicality ready on your Discord account. Let's go and see how we can do this. To do this, we actually need to get a Discord token, and how you do that is head over to Discord where you're logged in on your account and go ahead and do a right-click inspect. This only works in Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome, because of the technicalities related to this, I suggest getting Google Chrome just to follow along for this. And then click on Network, and then go ahead and refresh, right-click inspect. This only works in Google Chrome. And how you click on Network, Google Chrome, because of the tech, and do a right-click and go is head over to Discord where you're logged in on your account, and go ahead and do a right-click inspect. This only
Right-click inspect. Oh, I'm in the wrong section. Gotta go to general. Oops. I can't really show you guys this, but because I don't need everybody seeing my token. However, here's the general section. How do you right-click inspect? There we go. All right, so it looks like this.
only works in Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome, because of the technicalities related to this, I suggest getting Google Chrome just to follow along for this.
Network.
And then click on Network, and then go ahead and refresh the page. Do a /API in the search and look for one thing that says library. So click on that library, and then scroll down where you will scroll to a place where it says authorization, and go ahead and in Google Chrome just to follow along for this. And then click on Network, and then go ahead and refresh the page. Do a /API in the search.
All right, I want to move this. Let's move this to, how do I move it? Okay, there we go. All right, I got it on the bottom now, which is where I want it. Network /API. And then I'm supposed to look for something.
Search and look for one thing that says library. So click on that library.
Okay, so I should see something called library. Okay, it's this part. Haha, library, found it. And then, let's see.
And then scroll down where you will scroll to a place where it says authorization. Note the authorization code and just copy that.
Okay. Found it. It's right above the cookie.
So next you'll want to take that and paste it in here and then click replace account.
Okay, cool. So now I gotta buy this. They're gonna make me, all right, I gotta just purchase this. And I'm just gonna go do the virtual card thing again. $40 because they're gonna give me a static API thing. And I gotta do the fruit thing I was complaining about again. It worked this time. Processing. Still processing. Okay, cool. So now I get to go to my account, click on this button that says account 1, and then they're going to give me like all my information here. I'm going to pause this again. Let's see.
So we'll go ahead and say that I understand. And with all those warnings in place, we'll just go ahead and do this. It's a 50-cent charge just so that he has a way to process things. And then with that processing out of the way, you'll return to the home page. We'll navigate back to your account. And you'll notice that you'll actually have to go ahead and set up your account again. So just hang tight for that. It actually only takes a few minutes. Okay, and so that took me less than 1 minute for it to change from what it was to active. And it does look like we'll have to kind of reset some stuff up. So go ahead and, step 1, accept the terms of service. Okay, and so by now you should have seen when I actually had done this before during my testing, and we're good to go here. So if you are doing the second scenario, it's just those steps, and then you have your authorization token. So now let's go ahead and do our next step, where we're going to create the API, or set up the API rather, over here in Bubble. So I'm going to click add another API, and here I am going.
I'm not using Bubble, so that's not relevant, but okay. For one good measure.
Like that uses MidJourney, the powerful image generation AI tool. What you're going to learn in this video is how to connect up this tool via the API connector in Bubble, and we're going to see that done broken into 2 parts. Part number 1, we're going to see that done over in a tool where someone has made an unofficial API an unofficial API for connecting to MidJourney. Now, this is a paid option. It's $40 a month. It's a worthwhile investment if you are looking to learn this for taking on client projects in the world of AI, or you're looking to do it for one of your own projects if you want to explore what that might be as you build it. So what you're going to want to do is start out and go ahead and create an account over here. And to do that, just go and work on your normal sign up flow. But basically, once you have done that, you will see a screen like this. Again, this is broken into 2 parts. We just got to do a few quick things over here, and then we'll be off and running back in Bubble, setting everything up. So to start out with, we do need a webhook URL, which we can get over in Bubble. And so to do that, what I'm going to do is head over to the backend workflow areas. So real quick, we're going to set that up. If you don't know anything about webhooks, then this is your lucky day, because you will see that. You'll see right now, what is a webhook? What's going on with these? How do I make them? Both on other, well, in this case, just in Bubble. We'll look at seeing them on other sites where we send stuff to them. But okay, so we'll create a new API workflow, and we'll give it a name like MidJourney. And just go ahead and select all these so it can run without any hiccups. And go ahead and click detect data. Copy that URL and then paste it over into the account. Well, copy all of it and then paste it over here. And then click update. Now, there are some webhook URLs where they'll actually send test data, and then you see the response back here. This is not one of those ones, but it's no worries. I'll show you how to get started. Next thing to note, I've already clicked a terms of service where you say, yes, accept terms of service. So you're going to want to do that. And then the last thing you want to make note of is that when you sign up using this particular API service, here's a little nuance with it. It's going to create you a MidJourney account where you can then sign up, because you need two things here. You need, number one, you need access to this unofficial API to make everything work and smoothly. This person has, trailblazed a whole lot of things that we don't have to be technical about or know how to do. We just have to have $40 a month. So that's the deal. But what they do is they set you up with a MidJourney account where you can click here, you can go over and sign up with that MidJourney account. And they just conveniently expired because, I've already done some testing. But if you have ever seen a small, medium, and large, like SaaS thing where it's like $10 a month, $30 a month, $100 a month, that's all the screen is. And then you just sign up there, and you do that if you do not have a MidJourney account. So you'll just pick one, sign up for it, and you'll be off and running. Cool. After you have made your subscription, you should see a screen like this. But once you've done that, then you can come back and you'll be good to go over here in your Nextly account. Because you'll have a paid MidJourney account. You'll accept the terms of service. We'll just need to do one final thing with this webhook URL once you have your authorization token, and then you'll be good to go. That is scenario number one. Scenario number two is that you actually already have a MidJourney account and you use it over on Discord and you like it that way. Meaning, if you don't want to pay for two plans, because the other thing with option number one that's not that great is that you can't actually go to Discord and use that account because you don't have a password to log in. It's just not part of this thing this guy set up to create. You might be able to do that if you connected with him on their Telegram account or Telegram group, and maybe you could get access to it. But so for option number two, for those folks who have a MidJourney account already on your Discord account, let's go and see how we can do this. To do this, we actually need to get a Discord token, and how you do that is head over to Discord, you can Google authorization code, and just copy that. That he has a way to process things, and then you go ahead and set up your account again. So just hang tight for that. It actually only takes a few minutes. Okay, and so that took me less than 1 minute for it to change from what it was to act.
All right, cool. So now I want to show you guys this. This is ShineRanker. Share this tab. And what I can do is drop this in here. So I'm gonna do some fancy footwork, go back over to that thing I just bought, grab the token, auth token. Make sure it works. I'm waiting for it. It's loading right now. So it's loading up. Fingers crossed, y'all. Yeah, this shit's taking forever though. All right, we're there. Cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to use this thing, see if it's working. I'll just grab, this is how this works, just in case you guys are wondering. We'll go to the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, my own, where you can see that I'm live. And I'm gonna go to my shorts. We'll look around a little bit. And I'm gonna say from this, there's one that is popular. Let's try this one.
Imagine this. You used to be a tracking superhero.
I hate that voice, but it's all good. I'm going to steal that link, drop it here, and then I'm going to use the original script. I've got this. I've got cartoon style. I've got ad accuracy. Boom, boom, boom. I don't need an avatar on this one. I have custom voice with my name, so you can see that. This is from 11 Labs. In case you don't know, let me show you guys 11 Labs. It's another one. This is how it gets expensive. These are tools on top of tools on top of tools. So 11 Labs does this. It's helping me dictate a YouTube video right now called The History of Cookies, coming out soon. But 11 Labs is a speech API. And it just allows you to create voices and do things like that. So I've actually got my voice in here. Let me see if I can give you guys a sneak peek. Can they let, am I gonna search? From the whole community, it's a little different. Anyways, my voice is in here. There it is. Let's see if I can I play it? I don't want to generate. As you can tell, I'm really good at I can use test ramble. There we go. So this is from No Mic, and then you can. So we got all these different people. Anyways, I want to use my own voice here for now. That's why I've API'd in, and then let's see if it actually works. So the problem with this tool specifically is that some days it's up, some days it's down, and we're about to find out. So I clicked on generate video and nada. It's processing. Sometimes there's two different tools. So there's this one, and then there's a second tool. Oops, stop sharing. 1 second. Second tool looks like this. It's just like a text-to-speech situation. This one didn't work, so I'm gonna try to do a different one. This is why I like this, is I can drop my token in here. Let me grab it real quick. Drop it in here. So now this is working. My MidJourney is going crazy right now. Not really sure. Because I'm in a general. I'm in the general section, and they're creating a whole bunch of shit for me. This is the API. So it actually automatically went in and created these for me right now. That's what's going on. Holy shit, that's insane. This is from ShineRanker. Dope. Really dope. Okay, so if I jump back over here, go over, I can probably go to the main page and see. So I had 2 videos. I was just on the wrong page. 2 videos are being created, so it's working fine. What I want to do here, so my bad. 2 videos are being created in section number 1. Got to kind of reload it without pushing the reload button. These tools are finicky, man. You got to know how to use them, and they can be extremely frustrating because they are so finicky. But I'm hearing MidJourney go off in the other window because I'm calling it right now. And then AI chat, I use ChatGPT inside of ShineRanker. So ShineRanker gives you access to ChatGPT. It's one quick little hack. I have both, but anyways, I could just take this, or I could say, watch this. So I could say, create a token 15-second script out of this. Making money online with AI is just a matter of stacking the right tools in the right order. Learn how we created this video using ShineRanker, MidJourney, and Chat GPT. What other tool did I use? Next Gen. NEX Gen? Let me check. Hold on. I think it's Next Leg. Next Leg. I'm gonna screw that up pretty bad. Okay, so create a spoken 15-second script. We'll say 20-second script. So then, there you go. So this, we're 93% of the way there on the created joints. It's finalizing. I'm going to play it for you in a second. But right now, I just created this prompt and I'm not going to read it. I'm just going to copy it. I just want you guys to see the process here. It's kind of dope. And then I can jump over from here and just use the general. So I put in my MidJourney API. I've got my voice API. I just got to pick my voice here. There you go. And then I need to insert the script or else they won't know what to say. So, okay, we're here. You don't have to have a script. You can just put an idea. That's what I was doing at the first start of everything. I would just say GA4 is like a race car or whatever I wanted to, and it would spit out certain things, but the quality wasn't quite there. And the reason the quality isn't there is because the more you learn how to talk to the AI, the better the result that it'll give you back. So I'm waiting for a couple more. These videos take a while for them to render. That's the only catch. I'm gonna go refresh my coffee while I'm doing this and give you guys a commercial and some new music. Be on the lookout for new commercials. They're coming.
The best practices for using Google Tag Manager, GTM. GTM is a tool that helps manage tracking code snippets from various services in the same container. GTM best practices include using one container per website and establishing naming conventions for tags, variables, and triggers. Organizing tags into folders and using workspaces for team collaboration is also recommended. Built-in variable types can greatly facilitate GTM management, and previewing all tags before publishing is crucial. Data layer usage is recommended for tracking specific parts or features of a website, and tools like Data Layer Inspector Plus can be helpful. GTM must also be configured to respect privacy laws such as GDPR. BHT offers help and support with Google Analytics 4.
All right, I'm back. Make sure all my audio's good. Everything's cool. All right, let's go. All right, so you guys are watching this thing happening in real time. So it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna flip you guys over to this. So I have 2 videos that got created while we were waiting.
This tool decodes Google's algorithm and shows you everything you need to do to show up number 1. Just type in what you want to show up for and click
Crazy,
on
right?
Start. Click on Generate and AI will build the article for you. Now I can finally be the most handsome TikTok guy on Google.
Okay, I don't know. Yeah.
If someone could teach you how to make $1,000 a day, would you do it? And what if they showed you how to completely automate it with bots? What most people don't realize is you can use bots like these ones that send out thousands of messages every second to website owners. Now you might be wondering, why would I want to send out thousands of messages to website owners? What you can do is you can actually get paid to recommend tools like these ones just by going to scarytoolbots.com and grabbing the free list. Most of these tools have something called an affiliate program. That means they give you a link, and anybody who signs up through the link, you get paid. Then you just use contact forms to advertise whatever you're promoting. You can even use videos to sell the tools. Now I actually built a full training on how to do this. And if you want to see it, just reply with the word interested in the comments. Or head over to fortunebots.com and join the 8-week bootcamp.
So this is something I lifted from a different YouTube channel. That's how this game goes. It's kind of crazy, right? But I want to show you guys this. Okay, so I was right. I ended up creating 2 videos, and MidJourney went absolutely insane. I'm just hearing it beeping in my ear. 26 different instances here for videos that I guess got it to produce. Interesting. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, that's because I'm using it on a different project right now as well. All right, just want you guys to see this, and then we're gonna call it good.
This. You used to be a tracking superhero, but now your ads have seen a massive decrease in their effectiveness. You know why, and I know why. You haven't learned how to properly use all the new features in GA4 to get better tracking data. Time to dust off that old superhero cape and try to fit back into those sparkly tights. Go to fixyourtracking.com to learn how.
Pretty dope, right?
Imagine this. You used to be a tracking superhero, but now your ads have
did it twice accidentally.
Their effectiveness. You know why, and I know why. You haven't learned how to properly use all
There's
the
no reason why I can't use it twice.
Data. Time to dust off that old superhero cape and try to fit back into those sparkly tights. Go to fixyourtracking.com to learn
how. So we have that. The part that I like the most about this tool is I can go over here. So this is a different version of the tool where I input whatever I want and then it spits out what I need. Makes sense, right? Okay, so I'm over here at the very beginning.
GA4 is a lot like tuning a Formula 1 race car. Here's why.
So I can create this one that says GA4 is like tuning a race car. It's super glitchy because it's finalizing a video. So I'm gonna wait. I like this data engineer.
As a data engineer, I understand.
and I know where that one lives. So I've already downloaded this one. So check this out. While that's doing what it's doing, I can remove the YouTube link. I can use a TikTok link here. I can use any kind of link, or I can just upload the video itself. And I have the video because I created it. So I have it right here. I just got to find it. Here it is, data engineer. So it's good. Green's in there. I got the API, cartoon style. Let's go non-cartoon style. I'm gonna go default just so I can see something that's not that version. Voice, I'm gonna use my voice again. No music. Could add music if I wanted to, but they only have certain ones that you have to choose from, and I don't really like it. But that's neither here nor there. So yeah, I'm just going to generate this, and MidJourney is going to do the heavy lifting. And then I'm going to go back over to this joint and see what we created.
Discover the secret to making money online with AI. Stack the right tools in the perfect order. In just 15 minutes, we created this amazing video using ShineRanker, MidJourney, NextLeg, and ChatGPT. The best part, once you set them up, they're yours to use and iterate at lightning speed. Join our live stream at organizedaffiliate.ai for a free tutorial on how it's done.
Nice. So I can use this. Check this out. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to say organizedaffiliate.ai promo 1. I'm going to create a folder for it, drop it there. Now I'm gonna jump over to the other version of the tool, this one that's working here, and I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna upload it here, and I'm gonna let you guys see that part uploaded here. So this is the green where you upload, or you can put the source link. We can also look at my TikTok for inspiration. That looks like this. I remember meeting that guy. He was at South by a while back. He does stuff with audiobooks, I believe. So, okay. I've got a couple of TikToks here. I don't have anything that went like viral or whatever, but you know, obviously I could choose from any of these and just recreate them based on views. So let's assume that you have one that goes crazy. 361 is probably my most viewed one so far, but I don't know if that's going to be the best to recreate. Let's use this one. Best practice is to use Google Tag Manager.
The best practice using Google.
So all I can do is grab the link. This one's good. So the reason that I can drop the link here, but I don't want to put the file, is because I don't, well, maybe I can put the file. Let's do this for now. That same script. Why would I change what I'm saying if I know what I said worked? I can just go default or cartoon style. I gotta make that decision, but I think I'm gonna go default. I turned on the accuracy for the video, so I'm using the API from NextLeg, and I'm using my voice. So then I can go here. No available quality options. I don't know what that means. Okay, that's there. This is transcribing. And since I know that that's still doing its thing, I'm gonna leave it. So all I did was drop the link in. Right here, and push enter, and now it's creating audio. This video failed, of course. That's annoying, but whatever. And then I'm gonna try to go ahead and get this one going. See if it works. Got the same voice, my voice, and then I got MidJourney. And instead of going cartoon, because that's what we just did, is I'm going to recreate it with default. Let's see if it worked. This video needs to be redone. I'm gonna have to just choose a different video and do it. So you're gonna see a lot of stuff break as well. That's just kind of part of the process. So it's not for the faint of heart, again.
GTM. GTM is a tool that helps you manage tracking code
Something
on various services in the same
Shout out to Paulo.
GTM best practices include using one container per website and establishing naming conventions for tags, variables, and figures. Organizing tags into folders and using workspaces for team collaboration is also recommended. Built-in variable types can greatly facilitate GTM management, and previewing all tags before publishing is crucial. Data layer usage is recommended for tracking specific parts or features of a website, and tools like Data Layer Inspector Plus can be helpful. GTM must also be configured to respect privacy laws such as GDPR.
So I just use this. I do want to see what this might look like. A version of as a cartoon. That could be kind of cool. It's me sitting here right now. Let this do what it does. Okay, so I can keep creating over here. Script more. My energy and focused on AI and future of marketing. I don't know what it's going to spit out, but I don't even know if that's a good prompt, man. You're about to see. All right, some of these are breaking. Okay, they gave me a lot of shit here. This is horrible. Let's not do that. More about knowing how the tools work together than just having access to them. Organized affiliate.ai. We not only show you the order of operation, but also help you explore unique combinations. Keep on having to listen to this, the baby. Not not really my first choice, but it doesn't get copyright striked. It's gonna give me like the full damn it with the camera angles and everything. Just the speech. Yo, this is not it. I don't know. I'm going to say that it's me. I'll give it 25 seconds. Let's go 30 seconds. Just have to have the script, spoken script is what I could have put, but I didn't. All it did was, oh my God. Nobody guaranteed that it wouldn't be annoying. So these are breaking left and right on the remixer tool. You gotta chill out, man. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And now this shit wants to give me this. Okay. Let's see if I can finesse. This is the last one, then I'm out, y'all. This shit's getting on my nerves. My voice. All right, cool. Let this do what it does. This process, this isn't working. And I don't hear it creating in the other ear. It's all good. So the good thing, this is something I recently started using, is this AI chat. Because what I can do now, delete that so I can just have this part. I don't have to worry about the speech, because I would like type the speech directly into that script area and then get frustrated. Mostly because, you know, you're typing the script and then you push the button, it breaks, and then you forget what you typed and you have to, you know, come up with something else again. And that wasn't cool for me. I hated that, actually. So it's creating here. And I just heard MidJourney beep at me, so that means that it's working. I can also Try some of these other tools. Let's try this guy. Yep, this dead. That's cool. I'll be back to try this video enhancer thing. I got this, you know, superhero thing from it, so we can at least save this. Go back to the October remakes. It's this guy. Drop that in. Superhero remake 1. Make sure I don't have a meeting or anything. Okay, I don't. Not yet. A little bit later. All right, that's there. And then I'm going to save this guy. Superhero 2. Cool there. And I'm 93% of the way there on created image. MidJourney's gone. All right, cool. That's what we got. I'm going to leave you guys there. Really enjoying setting this up. Make sure to get my, so I'm not too blurry. So what you guys just showed me do is, let's do a real quick recap before I get out of here. So I've got next leg, which looks like this. I've got a YouTube video that shows me how to use the MidJourney API with next leg. And also I'm gonna go ahead and put a link to this in the comment section so that you guys can get the access to the discount code. It's only $5, but trust me, it adds up over time when you're spending a lot of money on use this video. You're spending a lot of money on tools. I think I spent like $30,000 on tools just in the past like 9 months or something crazy like that. So MidJourney, I went and created an account on MidJourney's plan. Let's see if they will show me real quick. They've got like some serious stuff going on here. So I've got this subscription, it's just the basic subscription. It's going to put my library here. This is all really old stuff, but this is what MidJourney does. It creates all these things. These are some of the first ones I ever created. That's when I was first trying to create myself. Distressed marketer, you know, all this. I thought this was so dope back then. And now I get to get back to it. I tried to create Annabelle. That was the first thing I ever did, was try to make Annabelle. Inside of Discord itself, you actually have access to more stuff. So it looks something like that. If I go over to the MidJourney group itself, you can see this, and you can see whatever the other people are creating. Get inspiration. You can steal their prompts if you wanted to, etc. Yeah, it's just something worth playing around with if you have a use case for it, especially if you can make money. But so we've got MidJourney inside of Discord. I've got the MidJourney plan, $10 a month. I've also got the API, which is $40 a month. And then we've got ShineRanker, which is this guy, which is, I'm not sure how much ShineRanker costs, but I know that it's on trial right now for $1, I believe. Just jump over to here. I actually have a link for you. So if you want to help the channel out, help me out, you can actually use this guy. I think it's that one. Nope, this one. Affiliate resources software. So the link is in the where it's supposed to be. So I'm using this, and I've got Hygiene. These are all tools that I've used at some point. Flicky, I create videos with Flicky. I think that's a really solid one as well. 11 Labs. Where's my ShineRanker? ShineRanker's right here. This is my link. Use it. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and highlight certain stuff that I'm going hard on. So that's there. We have that. I don't have a next leg link for you, I don't think. Let's see if I do. See if they got like some kind of something for me. It doesn't seem it would. They make it easy for you to cancel your plan, which is nice. Okay, cool. Nextleg.io. I'll just put this in there. I don't. Journey. You might be thinking to yourself, why would I do this? Well, just depends on how hard you want to go. Do you actually want to give yourself a chance to create a really high quality piece of content? If you care about that, then this might be a win for you. Let's see. I don't think I have a referral yet. Not yet. Check one more place and then I'm done. I don't know why that's acting like that. It's so freaking weird right now. I'll fix that later. Anyways, yep, that's what I got for today, y'all. I think I'm gonna call it there. Waiting for this video to finalize. You guys saw me make this one. It's fun, man. I'm just, you know, chill. I don't really trip too much. Oops. How about I didn't just... Nah, it's still good. All right, cool. You guys are gonna watch me build this stuff up and come up, so it's gonna be fun. You'll see. I'm excited as well, obviously. And so you can see as it's creating stuff on my behalf inside, you can see my name attached to it because they're using these images to create my thing right now. That's at 11:22, 11:23. It's 11:26 right now, so they're still putting the video together. 11:20, so you have this image. These images are better than what you typically would get from yeah, this is crazy. What you would typically get from just the tool without the API into MidJourney. MidJourney is a very powerful image prompting engine of sorts. Okay, I'm done being nerdy. See you guys later. Thanks for being here and listening to me for a little bit. I'll be back with more. All right, peace. Here's a commercial. Actually, let me send you guys a banner as well. I think I created a banner. Did I not create a banner? Oh, I gotta go create it. That's why I didn't. It's cool. Yeah, for some reason it was acting weird, or ConvertKit was acting very strange. I don't have a whole bunch of emojis for bots. I'm sure there's something here. Should be towards the top, I would imagine. Maybe not. Yo, where's this shit at though? Might have skipped right past it. I gotta do some GTM stuff for a client. Knock that out in a second here. Pretty excited. I've been doing a lot of stuff with lookup tables. It's gonna be dope. To add an AI component to tracking as well. That's outside of like organized affiliate, but yeah. I could have promised there was like a robot face thing. Oh well. All right, I'll catch y'all soon. I'll fix this in my spare time.